This is by far the easiest and fastest way to harvest your Echinacea seed. Okay, I'm ready to harvest my Echinacea augustifolia. Now back in the summer, after my cone heads had dried, and you're looking for these little tannish colored things inside the cone head. And I just put them in a paper bag and just stored them until I was ready to harvest. Now, many people say just put it in a paper bag, just shake it up and that'll get the seed out. Well, that's really kind of an inefficient way to do it. If you'll just take a fork, you can see how all this just comes out. But now you're not looking for this brown stuff. What you're looking for is the cone shape, arrowhead shaped. Let me put them on. This seed is pretty small. And that's what you're looking for. You're not looking for all this brown stuff. Now don't mistake your Echinacea plants for weeds when they first come up. And it seems like they stay this size forever. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. We are a small family farm and we need your support to continue to make these videos and share natural healing remedies. Visit me at FamilyGuideToHerbs.com. Now my channel name on YouTube is Carolyn Gibson Herbalist.